This is going to be a taste test video of this blueberry crisp. And I don't know if I have ever had that blueberry crisp before, so yeah. So let's get started with this blueberry crisp. So here we go, let's get started. See if I like it. Oh, I guess blueberry crisp is pretty good, but okay. Let me try one more bite. Blueberry crisp is kind of good. So yeah, that's all I gotta say for this taste test video. Subscribe to my channel, everybody. Triple like on this video, and I'll see you guys next time on our next video. Bye bye.